Police officers tagged by alias Totoy in the case of the missing Sabongeros are now facing multiple charges filed by the National Police Commission or NAPOLCOM. Ryan Lesigas has the details in this report.
A new ray of hope has emerged for the families of the missing cockfighters that they may finally attain justice. This comes after the National Police Commission or NAPOLCOM found probable cause in the case filed by the so-called whistleblower alias Totoy against the 12 police officers implicated in the case of the missing 34. According to Charlene Lasco, sister of one of the missing cockfighting gamers, they are also hoping that criminal charges will finally be filed against the police officers.
Ang masasabi lang po namin kung may probable cause, tama yung aming sinasabi ng witness na si Dondon Patidongan. Pero ganun pa man, mag-aantay pa rin po kami ng final verdict na sana guilty.
Earlier, the NAPOLCOM formally filed multiple charges against the 12 police officers. The filed charges include grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. The police officers will be given the opportunity to submit their affidavits to defend themselves.
Tinitingnan ho namin doon sa kanyang affidavit, there were statements na there was in fact actually in some ways there have been a participation on his part pagdating ho doon sa mga allegations na naging basihan natin sa pag-file nitong formal charge.
The investigation by NAPOLCOM on other involved parties is still ongoing. NAPOLCOM Vice Chairperson and Executive Officer Attorney Rafael Calinisan also issued a warning to groups and individuals attempting to influence the case.
Hindi po kami takot sa inyo. Gagawin ho namin ang trabaho namin. So yung sa mga nagsubok, yung dalawang grupong nagsubok, next time na lang po kayo. Wala pong puwang ang areglo sa kasong ito. Hindi po mangyayaring naareglo ang inyong National Police Commission. Panaginip na lang po kayo.
In President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s SONA yesterday, he ensured that no one will be spared in the investigation of the case. That's why the NAPOLCOM stated it will conclude the case and issue a resolution within 60 days.
Hahabulin at pananagutin natin ang mga utak at mga sangkot, civilian man o opisyal. Kahit malakas, mabigat o mayaman, hindi sila mangingibabaw sa batas.
Some relatives of the missing cockfighters also expressed their gratitude after the President mentioned the case of the missing cockfighters in his SONA.
Ito pong gobyerno na to, gaya po ng nasabi namin, ay talagang seryoso. Si PBBM na ay nagsabi na talagang mananagot ang mananagot kasi parang lumalabas na extrajudicial killing na kasi lahat ito eh. Diba? So para sa amin, the mere fact na sinama niya ito sa SONA, isa siyang national issue na sinasabi.
Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Kamkrame.